Today we are going to review the book Blue Ocean Strategy. This is a very old book. It more than 4 million copies have been sold worldwide. This book is about the strategy for how to create a new space in existing market. Blue Ocean Strategy is the simultaneous pursuit of differentiation and low cost to open up a new market space and create new demands. It is about creating and capturing uncontested market space, thereby making the competition irrelevant. It is based on the views that market boundaries and industry structures are not given and can be reconstructed by the actions and belief of industry players. Red Ocean strategy and versus Blue Ocean strategy. Red Ocean strategy tells us about compete in existing market space, beat the competition, exploit existing demands, make the value cost trade-off, align the whole system of a firm's active with its strategy choice for differentiation or low cost. Whereas Blue Ocean strategy tells us about create uncontested market space, make the competition irrelevant, create and capture new demand, break the value cost trade-off, align the whole system of a firm's activities in pursuit of differentiation and low cost. The only way to beat the inspiration is to stop trying to beat the competition. The next step of innovation is to look at the typical business model in your market and ask for four questions. What processes can we eliminate? What standards can we reduce? What standards can be raised? What standards or processes can we incorporate from adjacent industries to create a new experience? What is red ocean strategy? Red oceans are all the industries in existing today, the known market space. In red ocean strategy, boundaries are defined and accepted, and the competitive rules of the game are known. Here, companies try to outperform their rivals to grab a greater share of existing demands. As the market space gets crowded, profits and growth are reduced. Products become commodities, leading to covert or a bloody competition, hence the term red ocean. Whereas the blue ocean strategy says, in contrast, denote all the industries not existing today, the unknown market space, untamed by competition. In blue ocean, demand is created rather than fought over. There is ample opportunity for growth that is both profitable and rapid. In blue ocean, competition is irrelevant because the rules of the game are waiting to be set. A blue ocean is an analogy to describe the wider, deeper potential to be found in unexplored market space. A blue ocean is vast, deep, and powerful in terms of profitable growth. Blue ocean strategy is referred to a market for a product where there is no competition or very less competition. This strategy revolves around searching for a business in which very few firms operate and where there is no pricing pressure. Blue ocean strategy can be applied across sectors or businesses. It is not limited to just one business, but let's first understand what is blue ocean and how it is different from red ocean strategy. Apple users can download legal and high quality music at reasonable price from iTunes, making traditional source of distribution of music irrelevant. Earlier, compact discs or CDs were used as a traditional medium to distribute and listen to music. Apple was successful in capturing the growing demand of music for users on the go. All the available Apple products have iTunes for users to download music. Second example I'll give is of Uber. As we have taxi industry, but when Uber comes, Uber used the blue ocean strategy to capture the taxi and transportation and communication industry. So, having said all that, red ocean versus blue ocean strategy, you need to understand what works well and for you. So thank you. And if you didn't understand anything, please go and rewind the video. You can play back again. Do like and subscribe the video. Thank you.